In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails with custom fields in Campaign Monitor. Personalizing your emails helps them feel relevant and human, and Campaign Monitor makes this simple with custom fields pulled from your subscriber lists. We'll take an existing email campaign and drop personalized details right into the text, so each recipient sees content tailored to them. Start by opening your browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. This is the quickest way to land on the official site. Look for the Campaign Monitor homepage on the campaignmonitor.com domain so you know you're in the right place. Next, click the correct link to open the site. Once the page loads, find and click Log In. Sign into your account as you normally would, and you'll arrive at your dashboard. From the top navigation, click Campaigns. This takes you to a list of emails you've already created or drafted. Choose the campaign you want to personalize. Picking a draft or a campaign that's still in progress is ideal, since we're about to make content edits. Click Edit to open the email editor. You'll see your design on the canvas with individual content blocks. Move your mouse over the section you want to work on and click into a text block. Personalization works best in places where a small, meaningful detail makes a difference, like a greeting at the top, a reference to a company name in the body, or a closing line. In the text toolbar, select Insert. This menu is where you can bring dynamic content into your copy. From there, choose Custom Fields. A panel or pop-up will appear with options tied to your audience data. Now select the subscriber list associated with this campaign, then pick the specific field you want to use. Common choices include first name, last name, company, or location. When you confirm your selection, Campaign Monitor will insert a placeholder token into your text. You'll see it appear in line, right where your cursor was. Read the sentence out loud to make sure it flows naturally, and adjust punctuation around the placeholder if needed. For example, adding a comma after a first name in a greeting. That's it. You searched for Campaign Monitor, opened the site, logged in, went to Campaigns, chose your campaign, entered the editor, clicked into a text block, used Insert, selected Custom Fields, and picked the exact field from your list. When this email is sent, Campaign Monitor will automatically replace that placeholder with each subscriber's real data, making your message feel personal at scale. Use this approach thoughtfully, and your campaigns will connect more effectively with every inbox they reach.